Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Skies. And if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel below. So today's topic is PSC, syllabus and exam pattern. First of all, you should know that there are three modes of recruitment into the Indian Administrative Services. IAS officers may enter the IAS by passing the Civil Services examination, which is conducted by UPSC. Officers recruited this way are called the direct recruits. Some IAS officers may also be recruited from the State Civil Services, which is PSC examination, and in rare cases, selected from non-state civil services. So first of all, we should know that what is Public Service Commission, PSC. This is a commission which conducts PSC examination, Provisional Civil Services examination for each and every union, territory and state. Each year PSC conducts this exam to select officers for services such as SDM, PPS, Sales Tax Commissioner, etc. Let us also know about the post and pay scale. First of all, if you are for the post of junior time scale, that is pay level 11, then the salary must be 56,100 to 1,32,000 for the initial year. When you reach the 9th year, the pay scale will be such as, and the above mentioned years as well. Maybe at the 28th year of your service, you have this salary which is same as the initial salary of an DM, but their post will be same. The salary must be changing. Let us also talk about the minimum age and attempt limit. Minimum age is 21 years and the maximum age will be 40 or 45 years depending on which state PSC examination you are giving. It also depends upon which reserved category you belong from, or you are from general category. Next we come at the academic qualification. The applicant must be a graduate. Undergraduate in last year or last semester can apply if he or she has mark sheet of the college graduation till the mains examination. Next we should talk about the exam pattern. It is also divided into three categories, that is preliminary examination, mains examination and personality test. Syllabus of prelims is the same as that of UPSC. First paper is general studies of 2 hours. Second is paper 2 is aptitude for 2 hours. In some states, the paper 2, that is of aptitude, also known as CSAT, may be compulsory, and in some states it may not. Negative marking of 1/3 is there in both of the prelims examination. Syllabus of mains examination is also same as that of UPSC. First paper is that of English, second Indian language, and the third is essay paper. And then there are GS examinations. There is one different thing, that some states may be holding the regional language or statistics paper according to different regional requirements. Next comes general studies paper 1 to 4. The syllabus is same as that of UPSC, but the total marks differ. Till now the total marks that will change the ranking of an applicant are 1500. Optional exam contains 2 papers of 200 marks each, and the choices for optional exam are on your screens. Different states may be held exams for some regional languages as well. Next we comes to interview, that is personality test, which is purpose to reveal mental ability of the candidate, which is of 100 marks. Next I would like to thank you all. If there are any doubts, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you.